Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rachel. I'm back with another part of the series. Today I'm going to be doing blush and highlight. These are pretty much the last two steps of doing your makeup besides setting it, and I'll talk about that in my last video. So I like putting on highlighter first before the blush because the blush will help like blend out the highlight a little bit so it's not so sharp. So let's see. I have Becca Wild Honey here, and brush wise you can use something like this, use something smaller like this. Is typically a good size for a blush brush. I said that right. Okay. This is typically what I like to do, and then I'll use, if I feel like I use too much, I'll go in with a dual fiber brush and I'll blend it all out. So all you're going to do, take some and tap off the excess. Then I like to start at the high point of my cheek, kind of smirk and smile. So here's the apple of your cheeks here. And then what I do is I'll apply it to this area and actually flick it up a little bit towards my temple area to give it more of like a flush look. You see how it gives it like a flush look there? Okay. Now the other side, I'm going to put the highlighter first, but I'm going to put highlight on this side so I can show you the difference of what it looks like using blush first compared to after. This is just a big preference of mine. It's just what I think looks a little better. And for highlighting, so highlighting, you want to do like the top of your cheekbones, go down the bridge of your nose, your little cupid's bow. You can do a little bit on your chin. You just want, highlighting is emphasizing your, I guess, quote unquote, features. So I'm just going to take it. And I like looking like really glowy, so. Okay, so I don't know if you can see, but you see how it kind of looks a little stripy here from where I applied the highlight? Now we're going to go on this side. Another thing you can do if you apply your blush first, just go in with a damp beauty sponge and kind of, if you tap it and blend it in, it will help it look a little better. But now, this side, I'm going to apply the highlight first. I'm going on the top of my cheekbones, bringing it up towards the top of my brow. Okay. So as you see, we have the highlight on, looking very glowy. And now I'm going to apply blush. And I went a little heavy-handed, so you're going to go back with this brush, blend it out a little bit. And then the same thing, I'm going to use my damp beauty sponge, press it into my skin a little bit. And here we are. See how it just blends more, in my opinion, compared to this where it's a little bit more harsh. Other areas you can highlight. Other areas you can highlight. I like taking my pinky, getting a little product, do my inner corners, get underneath your brow bone a little bit. Middle of your nose. Cupid's bow. So now we are blush and highlight, and this completes this section of the video. Hit the like button so I know you guys are liking it, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.